So, here we are, luckily, and nakasabit tayo. We are here at 24/7 Balikbayan Resort here at Bariis, Tiwi Albay. Um, Family ng tita ko decided to do a weekend outing, kaya tayo nakasabit. And we're here, um, background natin, especially for our favorite. So, ocean breeze. Di natin, unfortunately, hindi natin inabot yung sunset. But, view and ambience here is so divine. And they have a swimming pool and also bar and restaurant. And since na we are unwinding, so let's do a small drink with our cousins. So we start our morning breeze from the ocean. So sobrang nakaka-relax ang ambience pag ganito. And feeling so really satisfying. So waiting for the sunrise. Beautiful blue view of Bariis Tiwelbay. So let's feel the cold air. And we stay out there sa mga hotels nila. So this is it, the beauty of the sea, the beauty of the skies, and it always gives me chill sa mga ganitong mga sitwasyon. Talagang sa sobrang pagod natin sa syudad, minsan gugustuhin na lang natin tumulala sa kawalan, sa karagatan, sa kalangitan. To embrace the feeling na talagang minsan nakakasawa na rin yung sobrang bilis ng buhay or pamumuhay sa syudad. So, we also enjoy the pool here at 24/7 Balikbayan Resort. So, and good thing, talagang napaka-fresh ng pool nila because it's open water. So, talagang continuously pinapalitan galing sa bundok ng Malinaw or sa Mount Malinaw yung tubig. So, talagang masasabi mo napakalinis ang tubig nila dito. And talagang napakasarap languyin. The feeling of freedom that you have. Konting pahinga sa buhay. Kalayaan sa pag-isahirap, sa pagod. Sometimes it's not bad to give yourself a break. And sometimes God give you the time na hindi mo sinasadya, biglang magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon para makapag-recharge, pahinga yung isip na sobrang pagod na. Minsan kasi hindi natin nararamdaman na tayo mismo yung gumagawa ng kakapagod natin kasi we are thinking about the future, yung mga bagay na dapat hindi naman natin dapat laging pinoproblema, which is pagpapatong-patungin pa natin, pagsama-samahin pa natin. So, in this way, mas importante pa rin that we have stable mental health. We deserve a break. again. In this life, we need to live our lives to the fullest. Andyan yung trabaho, andyan yung pera. Pero ang buhay, pag nawala na, hindi na natin makukuha muli. Sometimes, napaka-helpful na yung mga bagay na hindi natin madalas ginagawa. Minsan, we need to explore. We need to do things na we're out of our comfort zone. We explore, we find kung ano yung mga bagay na pwede nating maging kasiyahan at maging libangan. Because kung dito lang tayo iikot sa mundong lagi lang natin ginagalawan, mas may hirapan tayong hanapin kung ano yung magpapaligaya sa atin. Always wait for the sunrise, new day. Give thanks to another morning, another day that God gave you. So be thankful na tayo ay may hanging hinihingi pa. Meron pa tayong buhay na tinatamasa. So this is Coach Jed, your dance fitness and freelance fitness instructor saying, always enjoy your everyday life and smile. Peace, yo.